B to A. This is depend on body A to B or B to A. This is depend upon the bonding. Which bonding is more strong, the electron can be transferred from less bonding to more bondings. That means let imagine we think that electron should be transferred from body A to body B. That means who can transfer? Electron transfer. Have you any doubts? No. Because proton cannot be transferred because proton mass is very heavier than electron and it will be strongly bounded. मझिरे न्यूक्लियस ताको बाउंडिंग करके रखी थाए काहाकू प्रोटॉन को. दैट्स व्हाई इलेक्ट्रॉन कैन बी ट्रांसफर बाय प्रोसेस ऑफ रॉबिंग. By process of robbings. Let imagine 30 electrons should be transferred from A to B. You just imagine what will happen in case of proton. Proton should be not 70 now. Proton should be 100 electron. So charges should be equal to minus 30 electron. What will happen here? You just see. If 30 electron will be go from A to B, this will be minus 20 electrons. So charges should be equal to plus 30 protons. So you just see, very interesting here. That means when electron is sharing, the body who share the electron, this is positive charge body. Who receive the electron, this is negative charge body. Very interesting. That means the body who sharing the electron to another body, this is positive charge body. Who receiving the electron from other body, this is called negative charge body. Have you any doubts? No. Because electron can only transfer kahi ki na proton no mass hochi bahut besi rather than the mass of the electrons. Next we going to causes of charges. Next we going to how body become charged. So already we are telling about everything. So how body become charged? There are 3 processes are there. How many processes? 3 processes are there. First one you should remember. This is called rubbing. RUBBING. Means you should know this term is your friction. This is known your frictions. Second one is your conduction. This is known as conduction. Conduction means you remember with touching. Third one is your induction. Means without touching. Have you any doubts? No. That means there are 3 processes. In this process we can making a uncharged body become charged. जो बॉडीटा चार्जिंग नथिबो बा जो बॉडीटा चार्जिंग करिवा पई चाहूतबु से बॉडीटा को मु चार्ज करि परिबी. केमिति करिबी? बाय 3टा मेथड्स यूज करिबा, 3टा प्रोसेस यूज करिबी. वन इज योर रबिंग, अनदर वन इज योर कंडक्शन, अनदर वन इज योर इंडक्शन. So you should remember, conduction means with touching. When 2 body are touches with each other, after that charge should be transformed from one body to another body. This is called conduction. In case of induction, without touching the body, the charge can transfer from another body. Then this is known as induction. Already I am telling about what is rubbing and what is friction. Friction कौन और rubbing कौन तमें already पहले जानी सारिचो. तो what is rubbing and what is frictions? So first they are taking 2 body. When 2 body are friction with each other or rubbing with each other, जेतल दीटा बॉडी घसी हेबे, गुटे बॉडी ए थिबो आ गुटे बॉडी को बी नेबी. दीटा को कोउ कंडीशन ने थिबे, दीटा को नॉर्मल कंडीशन ने थिबा. सेमान को भितर कोनोसी पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव किछि नथियो. मींस दे आर इन नॉर्मल कंडीशन. मींस नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन ए इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन इन ए. नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन बी इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन इन बी. Means body is neutral condition. Means net charge kete? Net charge 0. Here also net charge kete? Net charge 0. So in case of rubbing, what will happen? The A body will be rubbing with B body. The bonding will be weak. If the bonding will be weak of A, then electron transform from A to B. Then A body become electron release. That's why this is positive charge body. It will be receiving the electron. This is negative charge body. Have you any doubts? Next one is your very important, what is known as conductions. So now we are discussing about the process is conductions. Process is conductions. So what can we do? Let imagine we are taking a body. Which type of body? This is a neutral body by NB. NB means neutral body, shortcut. Means let imagine here 5 proton are there, 5 electron are there. That means we are just giving the sign. This is positive, 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 positive. How many positive signs? 5 positive signs. How many negative signs are there? 5 negative signs. I am telling you this is neutral body. So 5 proton and 5 electron are there. That means this body is in neutral condition. What will happen? So we are just making the body charged. How can the body become charged? We are taking another charged body. We are taking another charged body. Let imagine you are taking this is negative. Anybody taking it is positive. As your wish. As your wish. In case of conduction, I am telling you this is with touching. What I am telling you? With touching. So what will happen? You just see when this body will be touches this body. What will happen? This is your negative, negative, negative body. Here also positive charge body. So this negative body will be repel this body. And this negative charge also repel this negative charge. Then after that this is positive, this is negative. What will happen? These are attracted the negative charge body. These are attracted the negative charge body, but negative charge from this body. Then you just count. Here the positive charge is 3 and 4. This is 5 positive charge. How many negative charge are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That much of amount of negative charge. So this is negative, this is positive. So what is the net charge? So negative charge is 4. That means the body become which charge? Negative charge. Now we have doubts. So what is the doubts? We are now converted the body into negative. If we converted the body into positives, yes, we can convert the body into positive. How we can convert? We just see. Let imagine this is a positive neutral body. Positive is 3, 3, 3 and negative is 3, 3. That means the body is also neutral condition. So in case of charging body, we are taking the body should be negative charge body. But here we are touching another charge body like positive charge body. Have you any doubt what will happen? You just see. So there is a doubt in my mind. What will happen? This positive charge would be repel this positive charge. So how the body become charged? So you just see the negative charge should be come to side of the positive charge. So new diagram should be like this. Negative come to attracted to the positive side and positive should be repelled to the other sides. So what will happen? You just see. So the positive side should be come to one side and positive should be come to one side and negative should be come to another side. So we are touching a positive charge body. This is plus, this is plus, this is plus. Now you just see what will happen. So now this positive charge will repel the next positive charge. This positive will be repelled this positive. After that what will happen? This positive repel this positive and there is a negative charge. What will happen? Negative should be attracted this positive charge and next this positive charge, next this positive charge. Like this way positive amount should be increases and increases and increases. So what is the amount of negative charge? This is -3. What is the amount of positive charge? +6. So total charge is plus 3p. Means total +3 amount of charge will be occur. So the body become positive charge. Next one is your last one is your induction process. Last one is your induction. Last one is your induction process. What will happen in this case? Just we are taking a spherical body and it will be attached to a. After that, this body is in neutral condition. But in this case, in case of conduction, the body becomes charged by the help of touching. But here, the body charging without touching. So how it will happen? So we are taking a charging body but without touching. So what will happen? Let imagine this is negative and negative and negatives. So let imagine your total positive charge is 3 and positive negative charge is also 3, means the body is in neutral conditions. So what will happen? The positive will be attracted the negatives. But how? There is a barrier is there. There is no conduction, there is no touching. How it will be occurs? मझे किसी भी टचिंग नहीं ताले केमिति पॉसिबल होबो? How it can be done? So you just see what will happen. You are just making this body to neutralize. When the neutralize will be occur, the electron should be going to downwards and the current should be going to upwards. The body become which type of charge? The body become positive charge. The body